How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your add to story option on Instagram and you're gonna select a base picture. For example, I want the base picture to be this white over here, so I'm gonna click on it, and once you do so you'll be able to see a couple of icons at the top. So you're gonna click on the sticker icon over here, and once you do so you're gonna click on photo over here, and then you'll be able to see multiple photos over here. So you're gonna simply select the pictures that you wish to add to your Instagram story. So you can see that I have selected this picture, and you can simply click on tap for more, and you can simply select the size of the picture and add various shapes to it. For example, I want it to be square, so I'm going to let it be, click on done, and then you can position it. And then you can click on sticker again and then click on photo, and then you can add multiple photos. So you can see I have selected these pictures, and this is how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. You can simply head over, click on your story, and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.